Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to take a multivitamin tablet. Many people find it challenging to get all necessary nutrients from their daily diet. Multivitamins offer a convenient way to supplement your intake, ensuring your body receives essential vitamins and minerals for optimal function and overall health. Selecting the right multivitamin is crucial for effectiveness. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the best formulation for your individual needs. Look for products that have undergone third-party testing, ensuring purity and potency. This helps you avoid unnecessary ingredients and ensures you get what you pay for. For optimal absorption, it's generally best to take your multivitamin with a meal. This can also help prevent stomach upset. Always adhere to the recommended dosage on the label, typically 1 or 2 tablets daily. Be mindful of potential interactions with other medications or supplements you might be taking. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of your multivitamin. Make it a part of your daily routine, perhaps with breakfast or dinner. Proper storage is also important. Keep your tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Always ensure they are safely stored out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.